Highly blessed everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nix and I'm in the sunny island of Jamaica and I'm at my sister's house. Oh no, look at a paradise. So my hot sister there, and she that. She's a farmer and she's a gardener and she's a florist. This is our little place where she have all our flowers and plants and people come and then look and then buy. Beautiful. Look at them cactus. Oh, Annette, you have a nice place. I'm in heaven. I don't know what to say. I just go video. Look. Cactus. It's like in the Texas desert.
Well, Nikki's a chaka.
I love it. That's what I love about it. If you see my garden, the best garden is the one that is just like a natural garden. Wow. You have so much ecosystem here. The birds, the bees, the wasps. Look, this is a pear tree. Big pear tree. And it has so much pear jumble up on the ground here, sir?
Yes. I wanted to have a compost, but
Oh, wow. Look, guys. Pear just drop off of the tree, sir. This garden is fruitful. Look. Can you hear the wasp, the bees in the trees? Last night I had a dream that I was picking melon. And guys, let me show you something. My sister tell me something could have picked pumpkin off our field. And look, 2 pumpkin around here, so I'm a dream about 2 melon last night. So I must have pumpkin them I dream about. Look. Punkalongs and punkalongs. Okay. That green banana, may go come cook it later. You see him? May go pick him. Alright guys, let me show you now. We are come around here, so we'll go walk around here, so curtain. Look, she have another section around here, so she have our other plants. She's doing so well. I'm gonna leave her info in the description box below, and then you guys can also follow her. And then she's in Jamaica, so if you're in Jamaica, you can get plants from her. Alright, she's got a whole heap of plants. I'll leave our details in the description box below, okay? And me want to sooner later, because we're gonna go on a road trip now. This is our nice bus. If you're ever in Jamaica, alright, all the info up on the bus. Take a screenshot. Right, look, nice palm tree. Look, I'm in a heaven. Oh my goodness, this is heaven, 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 heaven. Alright, we're going now. What can I see it? Which one? Oh, wow. I've never seen an orchid like this before in my life. This is my favorite plant in the whole wide world.
I want Deja to take back a little butter.
Please, Annette, it has to grow.
So she can
please,
nurse
please, please. That is beautiful. And what are these? Lilies?
No, just regular lilies.
Okay, that's
Caribbean
fine.
lilies.
Yeah. Yeah, the purple one. Okay. Let me put this here, so.
Alright, that's your spot, Destiny.
Come on, Destiny.
but the dog.
No,
In
it's coming
19.
Me not go there. Someone forget it for me. Come there.
Grab the one we closed, the closed one.
This one.
Puck him off and take out the bottom from it.
Excuse me.
And then suck out the top. Pick off the bottom.
bottom?
Yeah. Pull off the bottom,
What, the
Deja.
leaf?
Pull off the green bit, the whole entire green bit. Yeah, and suck it out now.
No, I don't think it was in that one.
We'll find one way in or something.
This sucking from it?
back. No, take off the green.
Oh, yes.
And if that one for me.
Big shoes.
All of my openings.
Empty.
The dog drinky.
No reason.
The dog drinky.
No, the what opening you see? Them all opening too late.
Oh no.
Late. Although I want to put one in my hair.
Oh please, but hair.
Which one is right?
I'm sitting back in the car.
Oh no. No. Oh no.
Early morning, man. Right
Yes,
out
it's
early.
true. Early morning are the best time. Get in, baby.
Oh, when it just rained.
Disappointed.
Go, no, get in the
I
back.
want to see.
We'll get
No,
to
you
see
can't
from-
drive on the main road with me. You can drive on the back roads with me, baby.
So Nikki, just
Why?
You want to come around the back? You want me to come around the back?
no, just come and let him go down the road.
Okay, come on.
That's what he's
Come.
saying.
Come.
Let's go down to the road, and then when
Come.
we go down to the road, you
Make
go
him
back
crawl
over.
around the back.
Come. Sit down.
Will any police notice? Will any police
sad.
notice?
Will the police notice?
Yeah.
No. Alright, hold on. Let me give them this bag. Come here. Come back out. Come back up. Let me give Destiny this bag. This one. And then you can sit down.
That was a bug. I just
Alright,
sweat.
come back now, Baba. Sit down over there.
Where's my patty?
It's just somewhere. Where mine? Put your foot in. Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
I don't care.
Good job.
Where's my water?
Where, from me?
Yeah.
I don't know. That's why you come around here?
No.
Come around here, can you miss me? That's not yours. Me get some into the bag.
This having anti-drugs and
Tie up.
There's a water in my bag. Hold on.
Happy, happy.
Deja, get me the water out of my bag, please.
they're talking back to me.
Yeah? They do.
Look. He was talking back.
Wait.
You having a good time?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, I want to go to the beach now.
I know. We're gonna go St. Mary. We're gonna go St. Mary soon. I promise you. Early tomorrow we're gonna go St. Mary. Yes?
Okay.
Yeah? That we can
Have some
you can
fun.
go. Yeah, you can go back into the water here. And then we're gonna go town, and then we're gonna come back down this end.
Around Country Island.
Hi. I'm Minnie Annette.
Yes.
No, you don't
Doc,
have to put it on.
Doc is going through chemotherapy right
No,
now.
I just put on mine. You don't have
Yes.
to put on yours. Come
Yes.
now.
Okay.
Yes. So he's my good
Good friend. I'm Minnie Annette. And then you have. Leave the bags. Just come.
Just put my eyes on it. You never feel to. How are you doing?
I am well.
I'm doing well.
I wanted to introduce them to O'Shane, but you're here.
Yes.
She was
So
happy
you're
to
a
see your
bonus.
van.
Hello, come on.
Oh.
So this is
Oh,
my
take it out.
nephew. This is Jaimon.
Say hi.
This is Dr. Wendell Abel.
Say hi,
He
doctor.
How are you doing?
He is my very, very good friend. But on top of that, he's Jamaica's best psychiatrist.
Wow.
He just
And who's Mr.
Yeah.
stepped away from that
Yes,
role.
for healing.
But he's the head of
Yeah.
psychiatry at the University of the West Indies
Wow,
for years.
nice
He's like the
meeting you.
head of psychiatry.
That's nice.
But he's my
meeting you.
good friend.
Yes.
And this is his estate.
Yeah, of course. Beautiful.
So you're.
You hear what I'm saying? Look
This
like
is
a
Nikki.
mansion.
This is Nikki.
I'm
This is my
Nikki.
sister. And these are my nephew and my nieces.
I'm from the UK.
I know Java, so you don't leave them. Relax.
Jaman was like, this is a mansion. This is a mansion.
So-
It is a mansion, Jaman.
So Doc invited me
Oh,
here like
wow.
in December, and we do hikes and we come back here.
This
and we
is
eat
beautiful.
And whatever. We hang
This
out.
place is yours. Take them around.
Thank
So
you.
I need to show you a bed I got recently.
Yes,
upstairs.
please.
Oh wow. So how is your chemo going?
This is from the 1800s.
Yeah.
Yes.
The people who own this own
Yes,
all
you can
of
tell
here.
it's history.
Yeah.
It's historical.
Yeah.
All right, I'm almost getting to the end of chemo now.
Yeah.
Nice.
And you
Doc.
feeling good?
Much better. The
Wow.
last I did about 4 weeks ago. I did
Yes.
my PET scan and it shows
Yes.
that I'm in remission.
Yes. Jai,
Yeah,
come here.
Showing good response.
Awesome.
Good.
So at chemo Tuesday, usually
And
You look strong
in
though.
the week of when he does it, so by next week he's all back to life.
No, him
usually-
look like he's getting
no,
there.
usually this is my horrible weekend.
Yes.
I'm in pain
Wow,
and so
but you look good.
Yeah, man, they reduce my chemo.
If she never said that to me, I wouldn't know.
No, only thing if you know me, you see me marble.
Yes. Oh, you were fatter than this?
About
Not
18
much.
pounds.
But me no see not well. I just meeting you and you look healthy to me.
Right, so
Jaman, where you going go fast for?
no man, let him
Jaimon gone
Let
tour.
him-
He says a mansion.
let him
Oh
explore.
my, he is an explorer. Wow, look at heaven. Oh my goodness. We in England are so far. If you look how sunshine. Daddy, 2 weeks we never see no sunshine. No vitamin D.
This is the sit room. Nobody's had it in here because everybody wants to be
Oh,
outside.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, but this is history, guys.
This is beautiful.
And the furniture, you know,
It's
that
authentic.
furniture
Look at
from-
this
yes.
one. This is beautiful.
Yes. Like a grandma
So is
chair,
it an
no?
English house or is it an American house?
English.
It's
English, because I'm saying the furniture look English.
We're from Switzerland.
Yeah, everything look it looks English to me. Even this table, this is our table back home.
Oh, so he said the wife was from England.
Yes, because this is how we.
From Switzerland.
Ah, so it's a mixture. That's amazing.
Still European.
Yes, it is. You can tell. Look, the fireplace and all of that. This is beautiful.
This fireplace is a little different.
And the
Yeah.
masterpiece picture.
Don't take touch up.
Let him explore. It's
Okay, it's to blow the fire.
alright. Yeah, man, let him explore.
Yeah? Don't tear it apart. It's old.
No.
It's very ancient. You need to keep it.
But let him explore.
Still
Yes. Yes.
It's called a bellow.
It's called a bellow, but you have to be careful and gentle with it.
Air into the fireplace.
Don't break it, yeah?
Let me do it.
Good boy. Put it down now. Nice boy.
Take a picture of it.
I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. This is
Let him
beautiful.
explore. Eh?
Yes.
Oh,
So do you
now.
feel tired
Oh,
sometimes?
O'Shane.
Not anymore.
You want to eat something?
But she's on the farm soon.
Yes,
O'Shane's on the
I just
farm.
spoke to him. I want to take them to the farm
Yes.
to see him.
Not anymore. Good. You're on the verge of
I'm on-
getting.
yes, yes.
I'm proud of you.
Because actually,
Mommy, I want to.
I was out on
I want to hold it. I want to
Thursday.
hold it.
Friday I went into the
Boink,
Blue
boink, boink,
Mountain.
boink,
That's a healing there, you know.
boink, boink,
So you go to the
boink,
mineral
boink.
baths as well?
Not yet.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So how long you been
In
back?
treatment?
Yeah.
Since October last.
So when did you find out?
You know, it's about last year, you know, Easter weekend. I was
So it's a year
I was
ago now.
sick. You remember even when I went on the walk, I was kind of struggling.
Oh.
And then I went to New York to see my doctor. They did test, didn't come up with anything. And then I came back to Jamaica.
And you found out.
And
I just realized something.
October we found out that it's lymphoma.
Oh no.
And we just started. But lymphoma is
But
a good prognosis.
yes.
Yes.
I just created an ebook.
Hodgkin's in.
Yeah,
which
I
is-
just created an ebook with the lymphoma. I'm doing lymphatic, how to juice and fast for your
Okay,
lymphatic
okay,
system
yeah.
support. And lymphoma is in one of them. And the juices that I recommend will support your lymphatic
Okay,
system
and in
to
with that,
drain
we
it. I'll
soon
give you the
come
link.
Yes, it must.
I'll give you the
Sure.
link. And I'm gonna give you a recipe as well. It's gonna help you to build back your cells. I'm a holistic therapist,
O'Shane,
so I do a lot of herbal medicine and herbal plants, and I dive into the herbal part of
Angel
things.
sent with a message from me. No accident occurs in the universe. Because yesterday I
You're
was,
giving me cold gum.
no, I was in my car and I said, now that I'm coming off
you
here,
again, alright?
You need
I need to
something.
begin to look at my other
Yes,
cards.
yes, because it's gonna help your endocrine system and it's gonna help your immune system.
So
And your immune system is gonna be the one that defend you. I know. You know what? I came here for a reason. I am trying to see if I can get a piece of land to buy because I want to do it in St. Mary, where it's nearer to the ocean, the rivers, and I'll create a holistic practitioner where I can help people to plant their own stuff and then teach them how to make the medicines from it and how to use the plants to help us to live longer. Because we're not supposed to get ill. The body is not designed to get sick. We are an engine, and whatever you put in the engine is what you know.
Don't give up on that dream.
I'm not. I came here.
Big
Listen,
dream.
I had about 50 million obstacles stopping me. Before I came, my dog went into the hospital.
supposed to get wet?
Yeah, it can, but it's not supposed to now because you're not at the beach, innit? But if you want to wet it, you can if you're hot. And the dog went into hospital, and I could not. We decided that either we're not going to go or we need help. And from a come down, we're getting help. And I want to help. I've tell people so much about this recipe and tell people I just want to give free information because we're not supposed to be ill. We're gonna die, but we're not supposed to be ill this way.
You should be able to.
What blood type are you?
O positive.
Just like me. Come off of your bread. Come off of your corn. Come off of your wheat. Come off of your flour. Ignore that. Don't eat no beans and stuff. And why you think I don't like peas?
I don't like peas.
It's because it's not good for my blood type. Corn, Jamaicans love corn. It's killing us. All of these things. If you start eating for your blood type, you start building back your system. Come off of chicken. Chicken is not good for you. Do not eat chicken again. Anybody's O positive, You're not supposed to have chicken, beef.
I'm listening to your message, you know.
Yeah, beef once in a while, because we have enzymes in our stomach. If she's at A, if she's A, she can digest what we can digest. Our acids are the strongest acid of the whole blood type. And guess what? Again, we are the original of the earth.
Come about your business. You come
Annette. She not listen to me much.
Productions.
Oh my
You take a
God!
picture of it.
Annette, you know for dismiss what me I tell you. Seriously.
Me know you know your stuff. Me just play with you.
Okay, good. Good.
Me don't know
Okay,
halfway, you know.
good.
You
Let
go
me tell you
deep
something.
into this
I go
thing.
deep into this. When I was little, I used to sit down and watch Spider for 4 hours if I make them webs.
I like this stuff, but I don't go
No,
deep in it.
and that's why I inform people about it. Because a lot of people don't know that your blood type is what saves you.
Yeah, but
You have to eat for it.
Dr. Steve Smith in Kingston, you know, that's the
Yeah.
first thing he tests you
Yes,
for.
blood
Your
type.
taste and
And guess
before
what?
it does anything.
And guess what? In UK, it's so expensive to find out your blood type.
Really?
But on Amazon, you can get a kit for £13. I'll walk behind him, man. To find out his blood type.
No man, I'm alright, you know. It's just,
Yeah.
I'm just doing it slowly.
Yes, yes, at your own pace.
No, my slippers kinda
Slippery.
loose, yes.
Oh, okay.
Nice. You want to see upstairs?
Of course. I forgot your name, Doctor.
Abel.
Dr. Abel.
Come
You
on,
see?
then.
Abel, you can do it. You're able. That name is fitting for you. You don't give up easy. No, you're a conqueror. You.
No, I don't give up.
No,
His
sir.
life story will tell you
Trust
that
me,
exactly
I can
who
feel
he
it. I can feel it already. He is divine.
Just like this bed and
This experience is for you to get stronger.
Oh, nice. Ooh.
This is lovely.
Ooh.
and I'm putting up the other one.
Somebody
today.
made this for you?
No, it's over 200 years old, you know.
Where you got this?
In Mandeville, somebody was selling it up.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my
This
god.
is lovely, dog.
Oh my gosh.
It must be so painful to part with stuff like this.
So my other bed now with taller posts.
Yes.
To put
Oh yes, up here. And then you can put drapes around
almost the
it.
same design.
All right. So this is your place.
Lovely.
Wow.
Yeah, it's for years now. He bought it.
Wow.
Look here. This is
Your estate.
where I came to heal. During the difficult periods when I'm down,
What did I say when I was coming
Chemo.
down?
I would just come down in the living room, stretch my leg out,
And just feel
and I said to myself, it's a good day. Because I live in an apartment,
this.
was
Do me a
hot,
favor.
confining. This is where
I'm gonna show him something. Okay, can I
That's
teach you
why he must run
something?
from England.
I started to do qigong. Qigong is where you make the energy go around your body, because sometimes we have trapped energy.
Is it
I had
on?
I had trapped energy all over my back. Doctors couldn't find anything wrong with me, and since I started doing qigong, I started to heal myself. If you don't believe it, it's gonna work, and if you believe it, it's gonna work. It's nothing supernatural.
No man,
All right.
I'm open to
Come
this
here.
thing.
You see these two lines on your hand?
Mm-hmm.
Match them. These
These?
two ones. You see these two ones on your hand? On your hand. Make sure you even them. Yeah? Put your hand like this.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me which one of your hand is taller.
The right,
Okay. Put your hand on your heart.
the right
This,
one.
yeah. And go in your heart space and tell your fingers to grow. And smile when you're telling your fingers to grow. And try it again when you're ready. And see which one even. Upstairs!
So do your hand again
And then tell your hand now, put your hand back together and see which one of your fingers grow. See if they grow. If they're even, are they even?
Oh my god, are you
All right,
freaking
stop
kidding
now.
me?
Stop now. You're gonna go back and tell your fingers to go back to normal. Go back to normal.
Shall I careful?
Go back to normal. And when you're ready, you try them again. And you smile when you say
Leave
that.
it.
Let's try it again.
Is this a abandoned room? Mommy?
Hold on. I'm trying to do something. 1 second, please. And try it again. And tell me which one longer.
Oh my god.
Okay, stop now. Tell your fingers to grab. And try it now. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Tell your fingers to go back to normal. Let go your hands and tell your fingers to go back to normal. Don't you ever forget what I'm teaching you right now. This is how you're gonna heal yourself. And then try your fingers now and see if they're even again. If they're going back to normal. Because one's supposed to be longer. Alright, this one's longer. You're gonna do that constantly. If you can do that with doing this, and you can do it without doing this, you can heal yourself. And that's why I want to come back to Jamaica. We want to give this for free. This is supposed to be free, Annie.
You don't have to pay for it. But they're making you
You see,
pay for it.
no, doctors sometimes it's placebo. The doctors sometimes give you placebo. Sometimes you heal yourself before you even get the medicine. All right?
I believe in it.
Right. So that's how you're gonna start doing yourself. Whenever you feel like you're feeling a little bit funny, go into your heart space. Can I tell you something? My son is only 6 years old. I was sick 2 weeks ago, and he said, "Mommy, you don't have to be sick." I said, "Why?" He said, "Go and talk to God." I said, "How?" He said, "Go in your heart. See here, 6." He said, "Go in your heart." Do you feel it? Don't. Don't.
Come here, sweetheart.
You got a beautiful home. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Oh wow, this is amazing. Look at this.
I want to go on
This
there.
is a paradise.
You'll drop through the roof.
This is amazing. Deja.
Mom.
No. You're being silly now.
No, you'll drop through.
This is what I'm
and
looking
Dr. A will
for.
charge you.
I'm looking for 15 acres of land, and this look like 15.
This is more.
Is it?
Mommy,
Over there's yours as well?
No.
Okay.
No, but it
Ooh,
was the
look at
family's,
this.
right?
It's a rocking chair. Oh my god. I love that. Oh my word. Yes, I'm getting inspiration, and thank you so much. So good.
It's just by accident because it's Oshana come to me.
And she never know you were here. She was like, "Look, my friend is here."
Is a good friend.
Yeah, she is a good.
Throughout my illness, she has reached out to me in a very genuine way.
Yes.
She has
Yes.
left her home.
Mommy,
One Sunday morning,
you
I was
wet me?
She said, "Doc, I want to see you." And I know she wanted to see me. She saw the love and the care and the concern. God bless you. And always remember you.
Yes. I'll get you some food.
Oh, that is easy to love you.
Yeah. It's easy to love. It's easy to love. People just, resentful or have issues sometimes. They block themselves. But once you open your heart space, anything, even the little insect you love, you'll be like petting him.
You look here. You want some
You just stood on it.
There's
insecticide for your leg or anything? So you
Yes,
don't get
please.
bitten?
Yeah, I just put some on.
You spray. You want something or you have something?
She has.
Yeah, there's some in the car.
But they love her.
Put
They-
someone in here. Put
Yeah.
someone in.
yes, because it's gonna be.
Now you may get bitten and so on.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
haven't really
We
got
started.
bitten since.
We were in Montego Bay for 3 days. No bitten.
No
As I come
bites.
home, ding 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 ding.
Start biting.
I was like, "Oh yeah, I'm home." Wow,
So
this is
you're
amazing.
okay.
Look,
Thank you.
Neesberry guys, look. Is it star apple? Sorry, star
I have
apple.
strawberry apple and
The
berry
green,
at
innit?
home.
Then them start ready.
No, them right. Them start. They're right.
So these are the brown
Look at
ones.
these very brown on
It's
here.
the green one and them right. They get brown.
And remember,
I've never seen
they
that
don't
covered.
fall off the tree.
Get off the floor.
Remember, they're the meanest
What
fruit,
happened?
They
I
don't
know.
fall off.
No, you have to catch
pick
them.
What?
Jamin, what's happened?
He's just happy.
Huh?
oh, it's coming up.
He's just happy.
No, I'm not sure.
Said somebody's coming up, that's why you
And
ran.
tumble over.
Oh, Shane is
He
downstairs.
heard something coming up. He tumbled down. He's so funny.
Let him have fun.
Yes, boys are like, innit? So can I ask you how long you been on Earth?
Oh, I'm 64 this year.
You really look good.
64. Usually I'm active.
If you never tell me you were going through it, I wouldn't have known. No,
But
because you
what
look
see,
good.
It's really my muscle is a little sore because
Yes,
I was.
the juice. I'm gonna write down a juice for you, all right? So if you give me pen and paper, I'll write down something for you as well. And celery is the #1 juice you should be taking as well. 16 ounces of celery juice in the mornings
Okay.
on empty stomach will start repair your cells. Literally start repairing your cells. I was so ill, doctor, and the doctors couldn't find out. I did tests for 2 months and they couldn't find out what was wrong with me. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take this in my own hand And I just started to research and
Take
do my
control of
own.
your
Yes.
healing.
And I'm telling you, I'm 100% better than
That's what I want to turn this place into.
you should. A
Place for
holistic.
healing, yeah.
A holistic. Can I hold you?
Yeah, man, sure.
A holistic healing place. That's what I want to do.
Excuse me.
Hi, darling.
Hello. Raji, Miss Keeping Harvest as his church. So asked if we could borrow your 2 folding tables until later.
Yeah, man, sure.
Okay then. Alright, thanks.
It's harvest today.
Yes.
Maybe I should go up there later.
Okay. Yeah.
What I need to do is put on my socks.
I think you should. I know up there. Yeah. Grounding more.
Yeah, I'm sleeping in this.
Yes. And I'm scared you're going to fall.
I'm going to get my bag and put on
Okay, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Where are they gone? Out here? You gonna come outside?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Anne, I find my purpose. I feel so emotional.
That's fine. That's why I brought you here. I want you to connect with whatever you're seeking.
Here comes the tears, Destiny.
Yeah. What did I just say to you?
Oh my God.
Say?
You don't understand, nature heals me so much.
Flower.
And this, the Dr. Bird.
I don't even know
The
what this
Dr.
is.
Bird,
I've
love
never
it.
seen anything like this
Leave
before. in my
it.
life.
Beautiful.
Diamond.
Diamond leaf, you don't know if it's poisonous.
It's not.
Don't tell him that.
The
not
Dr.
poison.
Bird, they feed on this.
Oh, the hummingbirds.
The hummingbirds, yes. We call them Dr. Birds, yes.
Cute.
And
So
it,
anything they eat, we can eat it too.
and
Got the hibiscus.
and
Look, Destiny, right
I
up
just
again.
carried it.
Feeling goddess.
Joy,
You missed it.
what's that?
Aren't you with dancing?
Oh my God, sorry. Why? This is very, very emotional. Oh God, my family purpose, God.
I see why Jamaicans wear long coats. I am not hot.
Be damn careful.
Wearing shorts.
Oh, Annette, this is a paradise.
Sure is.
No, so, any baby?
Yeah.
Just up our sleeves, innit?
I was never even know.
Never even knew, darling. Jesus, look on
It's like
nature.
a Zen garden.
Is that the bee's hive?
Yeah.
Oh
It's
my
like a healing garden.
It is, and that's what I want to create.
See, the hyacinths, the water
Annette.
hyacinth.
And that's exactly, he said to me not to give up on my dream. That is exactly what I create. I want to create 6 rooms. And one of them is the healing for after cancer. But you don't know. Cha, he's such a nice person.
He is.
I feel him spirit.
He is.
Excuse me.
He's such a nice man.
He's genuine and he's
gentle.
giving.
He's so
giving.
kind. Ah,
Boing, boing,
Are they
boing, boing,
pretty?
boing.
Hey boy, come give your auntie a kiss.
he's freezing self.
Oi, oi, come give me a kiss.
Kiss her.
Oi, 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 me a take you, oi.
You can know. What you mean? Ah, a lie. So long? What? Gone down in them blood now.
Jamming, mind your hand next to that. You don't know what that is.
That's the slugs or shit.
You just sit down
That's a
on the
DD jar, man. You dare touch it? Smell your finger, jar, man. You smell like poo? You're lucky. That a frog just jump off or something? A lizard.
lizard. Where?
What's that
Is that
noise?
the hair, Deja?
Hey, listen to that noise.
Woodpecker? Stop.
Oh my goodness. You see me tell us that I had to come Jamaica, Dej? Yeah. Because I need to know what I need to do. Imagine, Deja. Nah, there's so much to explore. Me can't stop yourself. German, you wait right there. Remember, I'm going to tell you what's coming down. Don't jump. Why? Just wait. Pineapple. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is a pineapple farm. And look at these apples. Look, there's your apple. Baby apples. Yeah, baby apple. Oh, wow. And it's pineapple on there as well, you know? Yes, Annette. This is healing. This is healing. This is healing and whoops.
Mom,
Yeah.
Mom, didn't we drive past that when we was coming today?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, not today. With Darren,
Yesterday,
sorry.
yeah.
But we was over there and seen it on there.
No, we were over there. Oh.
You get what I mean?
Yeah, you were in.
No,
the
we were
middle,
in the middle looking up.
over here. Yeah.
So we go up so. We go straight up so.
All I know is that it's very much hill and gully.
And it's nice.
That's what Manchester is all about.
Manchester's a hill. Hilly Manchester. And then...
So we should have thick pineapples out
Oh
here.
wow, look!
Yeah, the thick one we can take here.
Oh, Annette, he's such a... I mean, I know where you find them people here, you know? But it's most the blessings where we are the ancestors, them blessings. Them shed light on we. We are good people.
Careful here, Jaja.
Annette, he up in the element, you know? Actually, you don't know. Careful.
This is the real feel.
Jesus.
The real deal.
I'm not sure if there's any ripe ones. It looks like the season just started.
Oh, Annie Ann.
I'm not going to the farm yet. The big old farm with the cabbage and the sweet pepper. and
Jesus
everything.
of his mercy. And I was going to say to him, say, I want to plant my herbs and stuff, teach people how to make them medicine and teach people how to cook.
Yes.
So everything is organic and you cook it for your blood type. So I'm going to have more people helping me
Yeah.
because I'm a holistic therapist, aromatherapist, reflexologist,
Yeah.
but I need other people who have the experience of dealing with trauma
Yeah.
and people who are going through chemo and coming off medications.
Yeah.
So I need to have like a doctor, like a shaman,
And then they can retreat on your property for 6 months.
Yes,
3
Annette,
months,
for healing.
and be healed.
Yeah, that is my dream for me little, you know.
I had it in my head for a long time.
For me little, me say, me go England, go just study the whole thing for do with it. I did complementary healthcare. Me never finished it, but me learn a lot. And I got a couple units out of it.
Smells like honey.
Yeah, it is honey. The bees them over there.
God, oh,
And
Or it could be
because of the-
honey pineapple,
because of
the
the
flowers.
The pimento. So you know a lot of bees is in season now
Annette.
because of the trees that are
I'm
flowering.
telling you, you
Like
see,
jump.
when I'm in my garden, I plant nasturtium, calendula plants, and then those are medicinal. I said to the girls them last year, me can't make them a bees yet, take my pollen and I can't go give them bakra. Me need to have a bees cage where me can have me healing honey made from specific plants. You understand? That's what the journey me upon right now. I'm telling you,
makes
this is
sense.
awesome. I'm in heaven. Look at that one there.
Look at that one there.
And you know how long this take for grow? 3 years, you know?
Some yeah, 3 and sometimes 1 if you get a sucker. Because I have suckers and then I have the ones
Ones
get
that
from the
grow.
head shop,
Yes.
right? But the suckers will give you a plant.
Plants.
within a year.
It's gungo. It's called gungo peas. Yeah, gungo. I don't like gungo.
Why?
Nah, I don't like gungo. I don't like gungo. I don't like peas. Peas and beans. Peas and beans. Look.
I like it.
I need to give him my lymphatic book as well. A link of it here.
Look.
I need to give him the link.
Google bees.
No, you're not gonna eat it. These are the pods me I talk about, and no, that smell. Oh, sorry.
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 I love to do the impromptu
Me
ones.
too. Me too. When him say, when did you take that? Something just nipped me there.
Alright, let's go over to the other
Pimento,
side.
Destiny, that's the tree me and Wendy used to eat. The
Alright,
pimento
so guess what?
offer.
Now we're going to come
and get
back
drunk,
here.
I
When you
never
guys
know.
come back,
Say a
we'll
liquor.
come back here,
Please.
prepare a meal like we
Yes,
cook,
and come out.
and we eat
Yes.
outside, right?
I don't think me go
But
go
for
up
now-
St. Mary, you know.
No, you have to go sit.
All right, yeah. Me have- Oh, look, it's a frog nest.
We can't walk this out in a day.
No, you're mad. You know what this remind me of? Agents start do a farm like this.
Yes.
I've
Except
watched
he has
it.
a river.
Yes, that's the only difference.
Who does?
The bag safe up there?
It should be.
It should be. You know what? Come on, this one.
But
Go lock up.
but I'm gonna do a proper lock up.
Go and go lock up and we wait for you here, so. We wait for you in the shady there.
They're friends and too.
I know. Yeah, man, them two, they're bestie.
Look, more pineapple.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, let me get a better picture.
German, you love it?
This is what I saw.
Yeah. Where's your hat? Where's he? Des, get him hot as well if it's in the van. Des, get him hot as well. It's in the van. Jai, see papaya? Papaya. Jai? Papaya. Look, papaya in the tree. Oh, this is so nice, guys. I'm at my sister's friend estate, and we can't walk it out in a day. Can't walk it out in a day at all. But the GoPro is going to die. It's halfway through, so I'm going to stop recording for now and then save some and come back. Do you hear the frogs?
Is it a frog?
Yeah.
I thought it was a woodpecker.
Something that bite me on my shoes, man.
I've got a rock stone in my shoes.
Something nipped me.
Banana.
I don't know what it is.
That's
You hear
a
it?
frog.
Yeah.
I thought it was a woodpecker. It sounds like a woodpecker.
It could be the bamboos leaning up at each
Janet.
other.
Stop.
It could be the bamboos
How's the small one?
touching each other.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.